Today on Carol's Recipe Adventures, I'm making garlic Parmesan roasted potatoes. They're crispy, buttery, and packed with flavor. These are perfect for any dinner. I'm using about 2 pounds of small yellow potatoes, halved so they cook evenly and get that nice golden crust. Halving keeps the centers creamy while still getting crispy edges. Add the olive oil, minced garlic, salt, black pepper, and paprika. That little bit of paprika helps bring out the color and depth of flavor. Now for the flavor bomb. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese goes right in with the potatoes before roasting. It's going to melt, brown, and form those amazing crispy bits that cling to the potatoes. Those caramelized cheese bits add crunch and a nutty flavor. Place foil on a baking sheet and lightly spray. This helps with cleanup. Spread the potatoes out in a single layer, cut side down. This helps them crisp up. Try not to crowd the potatoes on the pan or they'll steam instead of roast. Bake at 400 degrees for about 35 minutes, flipping halfway through. You'll know they're ready when they're golden and fork tender. Once they're out of the oven, transfer the potatoes to a bowl. I find it easier to mix the potatoes in a bowl rather than mixing on a hot baking sheet. Add the melted butter and the remaining 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Toss until every potato is coated in that buttery, cheesy goodness. That's it! Garlic Parmesan roasted potatoes. Crispy outside and creamy inside and full of flavor. Give this recipe a try. Until next time, happy cooking. Explore more delicious recipes at Carol's Recipe Adventures.